Here's how to make your audio ID public in Roblox. Open roblox.com and sign in to your account. Click Create, then select Creations from the left sidebar. Inside, open Development Items and choose Audio. If you haven't uploaded your audio yet, click Upload Asset. Enter a name and optional description. Select your audio file and click Upload. Once the upload is complete, your audio asset will appear in the list. Select the audio file you want to make public. Scroll down to Distribute on Creator Store. Before you can enable this option, you'll need distribution approval. Click Submit for review, complete the required verification, and agree to the terms. Keep in mind that Roblox requires your account to be ID verified before you can request distribution approval. After your request is approved, return to the audio asset. Enable Distribute on Creator Store and click Save Changes. Also, make sure your audio is 6 seconds or shorter. Audio files longer than 6 seconds aren't eligible to be distributed publicly, so the option won't be available for those uploads. Once everything is approved and saved, your audio ID will be public and available for use through the Roblox Creator Store. That's all for this video. Thanks.